how to delete your YNAB account and cancel subscription. So first of all, if you have purchased via your Apple or Google store, what you're going to do is cancel through your device subscription manager. And if you have purchased directly, now what you're going to do is simply get to the account settings. So for that, simply get into the application, and then from here tap on the account icon that you'll be able to see on the homepage on the top right corner. And after tapping on that option, now what are we going to do is simply get to our account settings, right? So simply tap on that one and then cancel your subscription, and just like that you'll actually be able to cancel all of your YNAB subscriptions. So after doing that, now we're going to get to our account settings. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the budget name on the top right corner, like I said, on the profile icon. Then you'll be able to get to your account settings. Then from here, scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the option of delete account. Simply tap on that one, and it might actually require you password verification. Simply do that, verify your account, and then simply delete your YNAB account just like that. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to do it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.